Imagine waking up every day, and before you even step outside your house, you put on a heavy backpack. But this backpack is not filled with books. It is filled with other people's opinions. Someone thinks you are not good enough. Someone thinks you are too quiet. Someone thinks you will fail. And slowly, that backpack becomes heavier. But here is the strange part. Most of the weight inside it is not even real. Before we start the story, if you enjoy deep ideas about life and the mind, make sure you follow this channel, Think and Exist, because here we explore thoughts that can truly change the way you see life. And today's story is about a boy named Jake, a boy who spent years trying to please everyone, until one day he discovered a truth that changed his entire life. Jake grew up in a small town. He was a kind person. He never wanted to hurt anyone. But Jake had one big problem. He cared too much about what people thought of him. If someone laughed at his clothes, Jake would stop wearing them. If someone said his idea was stupid, Jake would never share his ideas again. If someone criticized him, Jake would spend the whole day thinking about it. One comment could ruin his mood. One insult could destroy his confidence. One negative opinion could stay in his mind for days. Slowly, Jake stopped living his life. He started living for other people's approval. Every decision he made was based on one question: what will people think? But no matter what he did, someone always had something negative to say. Jake is too quiet. Jake is weird. Jake dreams too big. Jake will never succeed. And Jake believed them. One day, Jake was walking through town. A group of people started laughing at him. One of them said, "Look at Jake, always trying to be something he's not." Jake felt anger rising inside him. His heart started beating faster. His mind kept repeating the words again and again. He went home feeling angry. The comments stayed in his head all day. It ruined his mood. It ruined his evening. It even ruined his sleep. That night, Jake realized something important. The person who made him angry controlled him, because the truth is simple. The thing that triggers you controls you. If someone can make you angry with a few words, they control your emotions. If someone can ruin your day with an opinion, they control your peace. And Jake suddenly understood something painful. He had given strangers too much power over his life. Every night before sleeping, Jake imagined something strange. He imagined a huge courtroom. Thousands of people were sitting there, all of them watching him, all of them judging him. Every mistake he ever made appeared on giant screens. Every awkward moment, every failure, every embarrassment. Crowd whispered, "Jake is not good enough. Jake will fail. Jake is a joke." Jake felt like he was always on trial, like the whole world was watching him. But one night, something strange happened. Jake walked into the courtroom and it was completely empty. No audience, no judges, no whispers, just silence. Jake looked around confused. Then a voice echoed through the room. And the voice said, "You built this place." Realization. Jake suddenly realized something shocking. The courtroom was never real. The judges were never real. The whispers were never real. They were stories his mind created, because the truth is something most people never realize. Most people are not thinking about you. They are thinking about their own problems. The person who judged you yesterday is busy worrying about their own life today. The person who laughed at you will forget about it tomorrow. But Jake had spent years carrying their opinions. He had built a prison in his own mind. And in that moment, Jake decided something. He would stop carrying invisible opinions. The next morning, Jake walked outside with a new mindset. Someone made fun of his idea. For the first time, Jake did not argue. He did not explain himself. He simply smiled and kept walking. Later, someone criticized him again. Jake stayed calm because he finally understood something powerful. You are not responsible for the stories someone created about you in their mind. People will misunderstand you. People will judge you. People will create their own version of who you are. But that version exists only in their imagination. Jake made one rule for his life. He would stay kind. He would never hurt people. But he would never again let someone's opinion control his happiness. Jake also realized another powerful truth. Sometimes we allow one person to ruin our entire day. One negative comment, and suddenly our mood is gone, our energy is gone, our peace is gone. But think about this. Why should one person's words control 24 hours of your life? Why should someone who does not even understand you have the power to destroy your mood? Jake told himself something every morning. Don't let someone who means nothing to your future control your present. Because when you react to every opinion, you give power to people who don't deserve it. Jake also understood something else. Many people live their entire lives based on other people's expectations. Society tells them what success looks like. Friends tell them what they should do. Family tells them what path to follow. But Jake decided something different. He would build his own definition of life, not based on approval, not based on criticism, but based on what truly made him feel alive. Because the moment you stop chasing approval, you start discovering who you really are. Remember this. The thing that triggers you controls you. The person who can make you angry controls your emotions. The person who can ruin your day controls your peace. So stop giving that power away. Stay kind, but stop caring about opinions that do not matter. Because your life is too valuable to be controlled by imaginary judges in someone else's mind. And the moment you stop carrying other people's opinions, that is the moment you finally become free.